So we just invite you to close your eyes and focus on your breathing, which is a great technique, by the way, if you want to experience mystical moments, learning how to pay attention to that breathing and flow with it. And let go of any thoughts that have anything to do with the busyness of the day. We are here now, so together we just focus on this now moment.
You'll find that mystical moments, mystical communions with your lower vibrational nature will be intoxicating alchemical moments. Why is this so? Because mystical moments take you from Maya, the external world of illusion, to a higher reality, the ethereal realm, within your own psyche.
You'll discover that mystical moments are the superconscious highway to the still point, the spiritual singularity within you, where your superior intuitive wisdom, your supersentient knowledge resides, and where deep dive extrasensory abilities live.
Your mystical moments are supersentient psi moments that will bring you helpful spiritual insights and guidance about the nature of small c consciousness, which is our everyday human consciousness, and capital C consciousness, which is cosmic consciousness, that will help you discover your own divine genealogy.
In spite of what you may have been told, your cosmic origins aren't incomprehensible. However, it will take some pruning of your current concepts of a meme-based view of an anthropomorphic God concept from your thought universe.
Your mystical moments will be chaotic rhapsodies. To embrace 21st century mysticism, you must be ready to question unquestioned answers, because that's where your spiritual and transcendental growth is and will continue to be. Each mystical moment gives you a cosmic slice, a cosmic glimpse of a greater reality.
Each mystical moment will help you to forge a higher state of awareness, a higher state of receptivity for your conscious path into the inner realms of your evolving psyche and the richness of the unitive life which is at the core of your being. It's at the core of all of our beings in this dimension and beyond.
Mystical moments help you embrace the light of hidden truths, and you'll find that you'll be more in sync with timeless universal truths. And these extrasensory moments will expand the bandwidth of your thought universe as you de-blur and unmoor yourself from the limitations associated with conventional thinking and conventional experiences.
Your mystical moments will school you on something else too. There are many higher fields, higher realms or dimensions of conscious awareness, and many states of higher consciousness, many mansions, as yet undiscovered in the Psi-verse.
And it'll become clear to you that humankind's unfoldment toward achieving its higher conscious complexification will have to move closer toward actualizing its own true collective spiritual self.
So we invite you now to become aware of taking another slow, deep in-breath. And ponder this thought. Each mystical experience is a higher consciousness aperture through which you'll gaze into your realness as an eternal spiritual being having a temporary human experience. The geography of mysticism is the instantaneous glimpse of self-realization, your higher self-realization. And that means it's not for the faint of heart. It's a higher frequencied soul journey.
You'll find that you'll transcend your parochial physical sense world and experience the super-sensual intoxications of your powerful divine nature in mystical experiences. And as you enter the innermost sanctuary of your exquisite transpersonal beingness, you'll find that your transpersonal beingness and mystical experiences are the same thing expressed in different ways.
So as we get ready to close this meditative moment and move into our discussion, we invite you to just take a moment as we pause to reflect on your own mystical moments, reflecting back on times that, as you think about it, you would now call them a mystical moment. And realize that your mystical moments will always give you a sense of wonder and wander. They'll give you a certainty that what you're experiencing is real.
You'll see that each mystical moment has a transcendental quality, a non-spatial and non-temporal feel, a felt connection with the eternality and omnipresence of your higher transcendent essence.
So when you're ready, just become aware again of your breathing. And as you're ready, open your outer eyes as we prepare for more demystification of mysticism together.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.